my name is Kaylee and welcome to a day in my life. I'm gonna take you along what I do during quarantine. So yeah, I normally just start off my day by making breakfast, and this routine has really been making me feel the best and be positive and happy during like a really difficult time that I'm super thankful that I am healthy and able to live with my family from this time. I moved back home from college and I just graduated, so shout out class 2020. This is kind of the new normal, and for the time being I thought what better time to make a YouTube channel. So I'm gonna go downstairs and then I'm gonna show you the rest of the day and what unfolds. So let's go. And there it is. Looks so beautiful. Oh my god. I went down the wrong hole. So, yeah, so normally I go outside and it's beautiful. I think it's like 70 degrees here maybe right now. So, I mean, like yesterday the skies were pretty gray, and now there's a few clouds in the sky, but it's overall beautiful and blue, and it's just nice to sit out here and be able to enjoy the nice weather while eating the delicious food I just made. So I'm gonna eat that, and then afterwards I normally do a yoga challenge, and then I also do a meditation. I can show you guys which ones those are, but it's been super helpful to me and just like keeping my inner positivity up and not feeling like the world is ending, which it's not. It'll get better. We're just hanging in there, and these are things that I've actually like never really made the time for before this quarantine happened, and I'm super thankful that I actually found this because I'm gonna incorporate it into my daily life now. And I've been doing this routine for about like I'd say like the past 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna finish eating my lovely meal and then I'll get back to you guys. Just how good does this look? Nothing is better than a fresh bowl of fruit and this beautiful sunny day. Also, I want to come back on here and say that this may seem funny or weird that I'm posting this video or making it even, but I just kind of figured like this is the time to do it, and this is something that I've been thinking about for a long time and doing a YouTube, and now it's basically staring me in the face and saying it's now or never. And I'm super excited to start making some videos. I have some ideas, but yeah, I don't know. It's exciting, and just want to come on here and say thank you to everyone watching this already. I know that this, I don't know, I'm very excited. So yeah, why not? So I've been doing yoga with Adrian, and then if you go to the playlist, the Home a 30-Day Yoga Journey. I've been doing this, and I think today is this one. Back in my room now, and I'm gonna go online and start looking on LinkedIn and Indeed for jobs. Like I said before, I'm starting to apply to full-time jobs. I'm hopefully looking for employment in Los Angeles, California. So yeah, we're just gonna go online and look around, and then also I'll probably end up reading some of my book, which has been really cool to read because it talks a lot about what you want to like look for in your 20s, so I can show you that too. So this book has 3 different sections, and the first one's all about work, second is all about love, and then the last one's about the brain and the body. And so far I'm about, I think, 80 pages in now. Yeah, that's where my bookmarked is. I just started the second section, but as far as work goes, I really enjoyed the customized life chapter, and then also how she talks about identity capital. And so yeah, this book has been super great, I guess, just in helping me figure out where I want to take myself in the next few years. So these are all of the ingredients of what I'm going to put in the salad. We got some kale, we got a lemon to squeeze on to massage the kale with, some tomatoes, some baby tomatoes, a sweet potato. I'm going to chop that up and put it in the oven for a bit, some quinoa, the dressing, some feta cheese, and some carrots. And here's the final product. Everything is mixed in and ready to eat. Hi guys, I'm back and I just showered and got ready. I'm gonna go to the beach. I don't think I mentioned that before. The beaches are open in San Diego and it's my saving grace. So I'm going to meet and socially distant walk on the beach and see the sunset with my friend Shelby, so you guys will get to see her. And yeah, so I got ready, and since there's no other reason to look cute, you might as well look cute for a beach walk. So I just like put little braids in my hair because I saw people on Instagram do it and it looked really cute. Wearing my necklaces. This top is from Zara. My shorts are from Urban. And then I'm wearing my famous Doc Marten boots that all my friends, if you're watching, then you know. And then my backpack is from Coach. I got it off eBay a long time ago. And my sunglasses are from Ray-Ban. So yeah, I will see you guys at the beach and hopefully we're in for a good sunset. Oh.
Welcome, MTV. My crib. I have multiple cribs.
Here, I'll put.
Actually, this whole block is my crib.
And there's the ocean. Oh, taking a picture.
Smells amazing.
Wow.
Really hard to sniff with masks on. Dude, Tucci. Yes! Earbuds!
Secured. Alright guys, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. That's gonna be a day in my life. If you liked what you saw, please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me, literally so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.